2 years ago, I have published a review video about Flux Charts Premium, and a lot of you guys asked for the updated version since there is a lot of updates and new features. So today we will answer, should you buy a Flux Charts Premium? So let's open a new empty TradingView chart and let's go to Indicators tab, and you can see that Flux Charts now has 9 indicators, and these indicators, some of them will give you signals, some of them will show you some markings on the chart, and some of them will be backtester, screener. So let's see everything in the chart now. There is 3 main indicators, and these are the Flux Charts MTF supply and demand zone, Flux Chart SVX algo, and the price action toolkit, and it is breathtaking. Now let's add these 3 indicators and I will see you in the TradingView chart. So I have added everything on my chart and you should see something like this more or less. Now we will go one by one very quickly. SVX algo toolkit will give you buy and sell signal. If you remember from my last video, basically it's the same, but they have updated and they have improved significantly. And if you just zoom out, if I'm not cherry picking, right? So you can see the signals here. You get a good signal, you get a very good signal, and obviously you will get some bad signal, but this is part of the game. If you get more than 50% with a 2R, you are good. You are a profitable trader. Do not forget this, okay? Oh, wait. I will give you a good news. If you wanna buy a Flux Charts now, I have grabbed a 20% off. All you need to do is type in Borsa in the coupon and you're good to go. Now we can continue. So you can see that these signals are good, my friend, and I even didn't touch the settings yet. Imagine what can we do with the optimized settings depending on the session and the time frame that we're gonna trade. So this is the SVX algo. It will give you take profit, it will put stop loss, and most of you guys liked it because you wanna know where is the stop loss exactly, right? And you wanna know where is the TP1, TP2, full TP, and this indicator will give you that SVX algo. Now let's continue with the next one, the MTF supply and demand zone. You can understand from the name, it will plot the supply and the demand zones on the chart. And you want to go to settings, you can go and check, but don't worry, we will go one by one. Also, this is just a brief price action toolkit. This is by far my most favorite indicator in the whole Flux Charts toolkit. I also like the signal thing, no lies, but this is something else, my friend. You can see a lot of things. The buy side, the sell side, the invert fair value gap breaker blocks, you name it. There are a lot of things that you can use and it will improve your all trading execution. So now we will go to settings and optimize everything and take a trade. And I will teach you how you can take a trade using Flux Charts Premium toolkit. Let's go to settings for the SVX algo. You can see that trading style, it's asking you for trading styles. We are a day trader, right? So if you choose scalper, it will switch more often, right? It's based on the name. So the trade length, long term. Do not get attached to names. Change it, play around. So if I make this short term, is the signals good now, right? It's just like 3, 2, 1. You need to test out yourself, and it's very easy to do that. And now you can see it's not bad, it's good. So you can enable AI sensitivity optimizer and you can play around with the sensitivity. I think between like 8 to 11 is sweet spot if you trade on 1 minute Nasdaq futures or a high volatile markets like gold, let's say, or the Bitcoin. So the TP method this is very good. Key levels or the volatility bands. I choose the key levels. Stop loss method, again the key levels. Show TP, yes, of course. Re-entry after stop loss enabled. If you want, you can disable. And obviously you can change all the colors you want. You can change the label size, and these are just regular settings, right? So hit the OK button and we will go for now the MTF supply and demand zone. Let's see what is offering us, because I assume you are about to buy Flux Charts or you already have it and looking for improvements. My friend, you are in the right video, because I have searched thousands of indicators, and I know what is good and what is bad. It's been like 4 years I'm doing these videos, so I know this thing. Alright, so detection method is the momentum or regression. The zone invalidation and all these settings you can play around. Time frames, you can just go higher time frames. These are very good. And demand color, supply color. So retest, you know the thing. So hit the OK button. I will use it as a default. So here where we are looking at the price action toolkit, it's very good. General configuration, show historic zones, visible extended zones, fair value gaps. We love that. So you can enable, you can change the color, you can see detection method, invalidation method, and the sensitivity. You can see a volumetric info inside of the fair value gaps, combine zones. So if there is a two fair value gap, if it will combine. Very good idea. Good job, Flux Charts. And the midline, yeah, it's very good idea. Labels, very good. So you see the combined zones. Very nice catch. Inversion fair value gaps, you can get it, and you can also get the volumetric info if you want. And if you don't know what is volumetric info, I will show you in a moment. If you zoom any fair value gap, you can see a volumetric blocks here, right? It's like how many buys and how many sells. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? You can see everything here, and it's a real time. Very good job, guys. So let's continue. We will enable order blocks, inversion. Yeah, you have the order blocks, you have the breaker blocks. You can change all the colors. You can add a volumetric info to everything. Oh my god, this is a lot of things. Look at this. Okay, easy, guys. Market structures, equal highs and lows, trend lines if you want, buy side, sell side. I love that. Premium discount, I don't use that much. Volume imbalances, very good. I use, you guys know that. MTF highs and lows, I love that. Daily, weekly, Monday, pre-market. And if you want shorter titles, shorter lines, oh my god, they thought about everything. So you can enable New York, Asia, London, Frankfurt, New York morning, New York lunch, and New York afternoon. I like that. So okay, obviously you have alerts for literally everything. This is crazy, my friend. This deserves money, guys. This is a lot of job. You know, with one toolkit, if you trade price action, this is it. This is very good. You got inversion, you got breaker blocks, you got volumetric info for everything on the chart. You got trend lines, you name it. They have it. Very good. Very nice updates. I like it. Since 2 years, you did a lot of job. Congrats, guys. So, all right, let's hit the OK button. Let's see what we have here now. So let's enable everything. So here you can see a little complicated chart. I know what you think. Oh my God, Borsa, this is too much. It's not that too much. You don't use everything here. It's just for the demonstration, right? You can just close these extension lines. You can short that. But trust me, some of them you need it. Maybe it's now seems like it too much, but when you execute, you want to see the buy side. You want to see the fair value gap. You want to see the order block. Look at this. This is the order block, and it comes with the historic data. So let's go for this signal, right? This is good. This is good. I'm not cherry picking. So I just want to show you how you can execute real time with the Flux charts, right? So let's see. Let's load the chart. So here we can see the latest signal was buy, and it is good. This signal got stopped out here. It's not that big deal. Why? Because look at the take profits here. It's crazy. Let's roll the market. I want to see this signal. We see the sell signal. What do we have? What do you see on this chart? You have, let me take my pen tool, the TP1, TP2, and the final TP. You can see the previous month high, previous day high, and you have the sell side liquidity here. So we can execute F5 contracts here, and obviously we have the stop loss, we have the take profit. But wait, now I want you to use your math brain in a good way. What are you talking about, Borsa? Wait, you have the take profits here, but you have more on the chart. Look at the chart. Don't expect everything from the one indicator. You need to put some work. So you have seen a previous month high here, a previous day high here. You have the sell side, you have the order blocks, you have a lot of things to target. Why stop here? You can write this trade. So let's see, let's roll the market. Obviously we're gonna make money because we have seen this trade has already worked, but I'm teaching you how you can write a winning trade. This is very, very important. Let's roll. Let's say you're trading on real time and you are watching the market. Now it's come to halfway, the midline of this fair value gap. You want to take a partial. No lie, I will take a partial here.
Order
and
filled.
after you did that, you want to trail your stop, right? You can use this candle high, you can use this buy side liquidity, because if it touches there, you don't want to be in this position. Or if you want to go aggressive, you can put at the break even, no problem. So I will use this buy side and I will write this position until first the previous day high, because these targets are working like a magnet, right? People are targeting this, people are using this as a target. And look what happened. We have crashed the previous day high, we have crashed the previous month high, and it can go to the sell side. I don't remember if it goes there or not, but you got my point. So boom. It's not so hard to trade. All you need is discipline. When you see the trade is looking really good, let it go, my friend. Let it rise. So leave a runner and make some money. Because if you do that, you will improve so much faster than if you just blindly follow the TP levels here. You could make money with this. There is no doubt on that. But I want to teach you how you can combine all of these indicators in a one piece to create something big, something that you can make more money rather than just following blindly the levels here, right? So why not trail this trade? Because you don't get even one IFG here, meaning an inversed fair value gap, right? This means that you can write this trade. Basically price doesn't want to go back, it just want to go down, right? So when you get this, just write it. Please, 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 please. This is how you're gonna make money. This is how you're gonna quit your 9-to-5 job. And these tools will help you to do that. Can I do it by myself? Can I mark this sell side? Oh, Borsa, I can do this, I can do that. Okay, then go do it yourself. But it's a waste of time. Imagine every morning and you stay in front of the computer, you found the fair value gap. Oh, I marked the IFGG. I found the buy side. Oh, there is a breaker block. Oh, was an order block or what is this? So confusing. Why not using these things, right? It's not that so expensive. I give you 20% off. So, okay, right. Now, I will answer the question. Should you buy Flux Charts Premium? Yes, yes, yes. There are a lot of tools also in the Flux Charts. What is that? So you can see the screeners. If you put the screener, let me show you very quickly, you can see a higher time frame signals on the different ticker or whatever you want. You can just play around and you can follow also other tickers, like maybe you want to see the NQ on 5 minute with the different settings, you can do that. So that was my review on the Flux Charts Premium. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like I said, if you want to see more Flux Charts content, just comment below. I will do my best to show you the Flux Chart strategies in coming weeks. Thank you for watching and see you soon.